How do I create a Nintendo sign in ID?
Hello, gamers! In today's tutorial, we're going to be discussing a crucial part of your Nintendo gaming journey, creating your Nintendo sign in ID. This ID is your passport to the world of Nintendo, giving you access to download games, updates, and so much more.
Why do you need a Nintendo sign in ID?
Having a Nintendo sign in ID is important because it allows you to enjoy various services offered by Nintendo. Not only can you purchase games directly from the Nintendo eShop, but you also get to enjoy multiplayer gaming, receive updates, and manage your Nintendo account. So let's get started with the creation process.
What do you need to create a Nintendo sign in ID?
Before we start, there are a few things you need: an internet-connected device like a PC, smartphone, or your Nintendo console, a valid email address, personal details such as your date of birth.
How to create a Nintendo sign in ID?
Here's a step-by-step process to create your Nintendo ID. 1. Start by opening your internet browser on your device. You can use a computer, smartphone, or your console's browser. 2. Navigate to the Nintendo account creation page. This is where you'll set up your new Nintendo sign in ID. 3. Select Create a Nintendo account. 4. Enter your date of birth as prompted. This is to ensure that you meet the age requirements for having a Nintendo account. 5. Choose your preferred method of account creation. You can use an email address or link your Nintendo account with a social media account. 6. If you choose to use an email, you will need to enter a valid email address. You'll also have to create a unique nickname and a secure password. Remember that the email address you provide will be your Nintendo sign in ID, and you'll need your password every time you sign in. So, keep these details safe. 7. After you've filled in all the required details, agree to the terms of service and privacy policy, then select Submit. 8. Check your email for a verification code sent by Nintendo. Enter the 4-digit verification code on the account creation page and click Verify. 9. Congratulations! You have successfully created your Nintendo sign in ID.
What's next after creating your Nintendo sign in ID?
Now that you have a Nintendo sign in ID, you can log into your Nintendo account on your console or on the Nintendo website. From here, you can start exploring the Nintendo eShop, downloading games, and start your Nintendo gaming adventure. And there you have it. You now have all the steps necessary to create your very own Nintendo sign in ID. It's pretty straightforward, isn't it? Now go ahead and immerse yourself in the fantastic world of Nintendo games. Happy gaming, everyone!